Sana, yung kahit na kunin na ako ni tatay, si Lord hindi niya bibit, si King hindi niya bibitawan. Yun lang ang prayer ko. Hindi mawawala sa kingdom niya si King. Yun ang prayer ko. Health, body, and hindi siya mawawala sa Lord.
Islam.
Special part of me. You will always be a special memory. I'll always cherish the wonderful moments you have given me. You are in my heart, wherever I may be. All the times we share will always be to me songs my heart will sing, refreshing melody. I'll put together all of your laughter like a symphony. I'll remember you wherever I may be.